Here are the 3 tricks that are essential for any web developer. Flexbox is a powerful layout module that simplifies the process of aligning and distributing elements within a container. It provides properties like justify content, align alignments, and flex direction to control the alignment and distribution of elements along both the horizontal and vertical axes. This makes it ideal for creating responsive layouts that adjust to different screen sizes. Grid layout is another powerful layout module that offers more control over the arrangement of elements on a page. It uses system of rows and columns to create a grid structure, allowing you to place elements in specific positions within the grid. Grid layout is particularly useful for creating complex layouts with multiple columns, rows, and nested grids. CSS variables, custom properties. These variables allow you to define reusable values that can be used throughout your style sheet. This makes it easier to maintain and update your styles, as you only need to change the variable value once to update all instances of that value. CSS variables are also helpful for creating themes and customizing styles based on user preferences.